Many NFTs are purchased using Ethereum. So let's look at how to purchase Ethereum so you can move on to purchase an NFT. First of all, open up MetaMask and then click on the buy button. You'll see that you have different cryptocurrency providers. We recommend that you check out the best exchange rates on all those providers. Once you've chosen the best exchange rate, follow the on-screen instructions to purchase. You also have the option of sending Ethereum from a cryptocurrency exchange. To do this, you'd purchase the cryptocurrency on the exchange and then send it to the wallet address, which can be found just up here. Once you've received your Ethereum, you're now ready to connect to an NFT site to purchase your NFT. If you're unsure of how much Ethereum to purchase, we've included some helpful links in the description below.